Look at this. This is Mr. Beast's viral thumbnail. This is Mark Roberts' viral thumbnail. This is a 100 million view thumbnail from the Stocks twins. And these are the thumbnails I designed using an AI tool. If I will compare these thumbnails side by side, then as you can see, these thumbnails are looking exactly same. I can see 80 to 90% these thumbnails are same, yet they are 100% unique. And here is the craziest part. I didn't use Photoshop, I didn't use Canva. I simply pasted the YouTube video link. This tool name is Pikzels AI. If you will watch this video till the end, you will learn how to use this tool the right way to generate thumbnails like this in just one click with Pikzels AI Thumbnail Generator. Plus, if you will stick till the end, I will share a special coupon code that will give you an exclusive 50% discount on Pikzels AI monthly plan. So watch this video till the end. So now I'm going to show you how you can use Pikzels AI Thumbnail Generator to design attractive thumbnail like top YouTubers. So all you need to do is just click on the link given in the video description. That is an exclusive affiliate link for my audience. When you will click on that link, then you can try Pikzels AI absolutely free without giving your credit card detail. Okay, so when you will click on the link given in the video description and create your free account, then you will see a dashboard like this. Here is 3 different options to create your thumbnail. First one is you can write your prompt here, like you can explain what you want and Pikzels AI will generate thumbnail for you. Second option is recreate option. Here you can simply paste the YouTube video link and it will generate the exact same thumbnail for you. Okay, but it will be 100% unique. And last option is face swap option. So suppose if you have designed thumbnail and if you want to swap the face in your thumbnail with your own face, then you can use the face swap feature. So first I am going to use this thumbnail feature to design thumbnail like Mr. Beast. Okay, so for example, I want to recreate this particular thumbnail of Mr. Beast. Okay, so if you are confused like what to write in the prompt section to get this type of thumbnail, then what you can do, you can download this thumbnail and you can go to ChatGPT, just click on plus icon, click on upload from computer and let me upload the same thumbnail here. And here I am going to write, I want to generate the exact same thumbnail. So give me prompt to generate exact same thumbnail. Note, prompt should be 2 to 3 lines max. And let's click on enter. And here is the prompt ChatGPT has given us. A man with a ripped white shirt and a torn black shorts laying on a wooden raft in the middle of the ocean. He looked exhausted with arms and legs spread out. The water is deep blue with multiple sharks circling around. The top right corner has a bold text day 7 in the comic style font. So as you can see, you don't need to think like what you should write to generate the exact same thumbnail. So let me paste this prompt here in this thumbnail section and let's see what it will generate. But before generating this thumbnail, I want to tell you that there is no guarantee that it will generate exact same thumbnail in first attempt. So you have to keep editing it until you got the exact same thumbnail. So let's click on generate. And as you can see, it has started generating this thumbnail. It will hardly take 15 to 20 seconds for Pikzels AI Thumbnail Generator to generate this thumbnail with this particular prompt. So let's wait. And as you can see, as I told you that you will not get exact same thumbnail in first attempt. Okay, so let's click on edit and let's write something like thumbnail should be super realistic. And let's click on generate and let's see what it will generate now. So as you can see, now it has generated a similar thumbnail, but it is still not perfect. So I will click on edit again and I want to write something like I want to see full shark and it's a top view, not side view. And let's click on generate and let's do a final edit like zoom out and make the thumbnail super realistic. And let's click on generate. So as you can see, now this thumbnail is looking just amazing. It is looking super realistic. So this process will take you hardly 4 to 5 minutes to generate the exact same thumbnail as you want. And now I'm going to show you how to recreate the same thumbnail and how to get exact same but unique thumbnail like Mr. Beast in just one click. Okay, so let me copy this thumbnail again. Let me copy the link of this thumbnail. Let's go to Pikzels, and now I'm going to paste this YouTube video link in this recreate feature, and I'm going to select the inspiration level high. And if you want to make any changes in your thumbnail, like if you want that this shirt color should be yellow or anything like this, then you can explain it in this what changes would you like to make in this box, and it will make those changes in your thumbnail. But for now I'm just pasting the YouTube video link, and I have selected inspiration level high, and let's click on generate. And as you can see, now it has generated a super realistic thumbnail same as Mr. Beast in just one click. So this is the thumbnail with inspiration level high. So let's click on inspiration level medium, and let's see what it will generate for us. So as you can see, this thumbnail is also looking very good, and if we will select inspiration level low, then it will generate more unique thumbnail for you, but it will follow the same concept like a man and lots of shark, ocean and all these things. Okay, so let's see what it will generate. So as you can see, it has generated a completely unique thumbnail if you will select inspiration level low. Okay, so this was our original thumbnail, and this is the thumbnail with inspiration level high, this is the thumbnail with inspiration level medium, and this is the thumbnail with inspiration level low. So in this way you can generate a very unique and attractive thumbnail same as top YouTubers, and you don't have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars for getting the thumbnail same as top YouTubers. Now let's try to design this viral thumbnail of Mark. Okay, so let's try to regenerate this thumbnail. Okay, let's copy the link of this thumbnail, and so I'm going to click on recreate. Let me paste the link of that YouTube video, and I'm going to select inspiration level high, and let's click on generate. So this is the thumbnail with inspiration level high, this is the thumbnail with inspiration level medium, and this is the thumbnail with inspiration level low. So let me give last example. So suppose I want to generate this thumbnail from the stock twins. So again I have selected the recreate option, I have pasted the YouTube video link, I have selected inspiration level high, and I clicked on generate. And this is the thumbnail with inspiration level high, this is the thumbnail with inspiration level medium, and this is the thumbnail with inspiration level low. But the problem in this thumbnail is that this person is not looking like me. So what I can do, I can click on this face swap option, let's click on upload file, and I'm going to upload my photo, and let's click on generate. So as you can see, this is the photo I have uploaded, and this is the generated thumbnail. So now this person is looking like me. So in this way you can use Pikzels AI to generate the thumbnail. But I want to mention one thing clearly, that the thumbnail recreation feature and the face swap feature is all only available in premium plan. So if you want to recreate the thumbnail with the YouTube video link, and if you want to swap the face in the generated thumbnail, then you have to purchase Pikzels AI premium plan, which will cost you $40 per month. But what if I will tell you that you can get 50% discount on Pikzels AI pricing plan? Sounds interesting, right? So all you need to do is just follow the two simple steps. Just click on the link given in the video description. So when you will click on that special affiliate link, then you will see a dashboard like this. From here you just need to click on pricing, and here you can select any plan according to your requirement. Just click on subscribe, and in the next step you will see a promo code section, that is coupon code section in the left side. Just click on that and apply coupon code Sumit to get 50% discount on Pikzels AI monthly plan. So that coupon code and that special affiliate link is available in the video description. Just go and check it out and get Pikzels AI Essential Premium or Ultimate plan with 50% discount. If you want more videos like this, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.